Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss further more on LVM. So as we can see, we are having 3 LVM and on 2 VGS. So I will try to extend LV extend -L plus 1G to which resize to FS says here. Okay, it's run 3 GB here. Okay, and you can see at least it is also 3 GB. But this you already know. You must be thinking why he is repeating again, but what I am trying to say, etc LVM archive is a directory. Okay, whatever transaction you are making, it is getting recorded here. See, today date is 27 and is night 2:40. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, so it's showing generated by LVM version 2 on Friday, Jan 27, 0240. Okay, description created before executing the LV extend command. So before you execute the LV extend, it is created. Okay, creation host, ready study, creation time, VG backup, our VG name, and VG is part of PV0 and PV1, which is having SDB and SDC. Logical volume, LV backup, read write visible, extended count to 56. Okay, there are 2 segments. Okay, so whatever you are executing before is taking a snapshot archive. Okay, there are multiple archives here, like you can see. We'll see less. So it was LV create -L 50% of VG, this thing. Before executing this, description got created. Okay, so this how everything is getting recorded in LVM. If you are not sure who is executed on what date, you can simply go to etc LVM archive and there you will be able to see all the files. Okay, and you can read those files and you can see who has made the entry on what time. Like as we can see here, see LV extend -L1 GB V0 LV1. So this is the history of LVM. This is how you can trace it back. So that's all for today's video. Learn more, see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.